What would you recommend a comprehensive hydrovac maintenance program includes?
If you're running a vac truck, a company with hydrovacs, even other piece of equipment, a solid schedule isn't optional. It's critical. There's different levels, right? So like you have your daily, your weekly, your monthly, and your annual. Starting with the daily checks, just your basic DVIR, topping up fluids, engine oil, coolant, hydraulics, inspecting your blower, water pump, your boom, your back door, check your filters and your clean out daily. Greasing the truck as needed, doesn't need to be daily, but definitely needs to be monitored. And just making sure that your unit passes your DVIR inspection with the regulations of DOT. Weekly, every company does a little bit differently, but checking your hoses and suction lines for wears, tightening up any fittings or clamps that may have loosened. Some companies want you to get under the truck and check it. I think that's a good practice as well. Monthly, swapping out filters is needed, checking the hydraulic pressures, looking over your water and vacuum systems more thoroughly, right? Maybe with a mechanic side by side with the operator. Keeping your blower and your boom running smooth, those are important. Your back door, make sure that's greased, the hinges. And at least once a year, every 2,000 hours or so, go deep, do a full overview of the truck, a diagnosis, system flushes, DOT level inspection, right? Your annual inspection. These are keeping your truck safe and reliable, right? Preventive maintenance saves downtime and dollars. Stick to it. Your crew and your bottom line will thank you. It keeps the guys working. It keeps the truck running. Makes it profitable, right? And I also think documentation of maintenance is necessary to have proof you are in compliance and just to help with like warranty claims, DOT audits, and resale value of equipment.